Fish balls. You guys like fish balls? If you know, you know. Alright guys, I'm right outside of all that shabu behind me, and as you can see, there is a long line right there. Actually, you can't see it. But yeah guys, we're about to try out all that shabu. It's a new all-you-can-eat shabu place in Irvine, and it's also the day before New Year's, and it's really cold and toasty, which is perfect for shabu shabu weather. And me and Alex are about to go get some shabu shabu. This is the buffet bar, guys. It's pretty huge. They got cooked items here too. This place has it all. Japchae, beef, rice cake, chicken wings. Got the sauce right here. Alright guys, so we just got seated. We're here for lunch. Always gotta go for lunch for the cheaper prices. You know how I do it. It's $19.99, and these are all the meat choices you guys get. So basically, you order 3 meats at a time. It's kind of like Korean barbecue. You order the meats and then you cook it in the shabu. So yeah, about to get some all-you-can-eat shabu for you guys. Let's do it. Mukbang for the mukbang. And we also got Alex here, Mr. Filipino model.
What's up guys? How's it going, DBW world?
So meat is here. We got the #1 prime beef brisket. 2 Wagyu style. This one looks like the Angus flat steak. Yeah, this meat looks delicious. Now let's shabu shabu. So Alex got us some sides too. From, ooh, some octopus in here. You see this? Look at all this meat, guys. About to go in on this. So basically, for shabu, what you do, you have the hot broth right here, right in front of me. You grab the meat with your chopsticks. You just dip in the boiling broth, and then the meat takes on the flavoring of the broth, and then you eat it. Usually with rice. We're gonna get some rice right now for you guys. And all the other sides. There's a side buffet over there. I don't know what Alex got over here, but it looks pretty interesting, guys. Like I said, all you can eat. There's a little buffet over there. So we're just gonna get everything.
That's mushrooms.
Mushrooms.
Rice cake, dumplings.
Ooh, the rice cake dumpling is good. Are you supposed to cook this?
Yeah.
Wow. Let's cook this rice cake dumplings, guys. They even got fried chicken wings here too. This is like a sweet Asian chili, and this is just regular fried. Yeah guys, about to feast. Forgot the most important ingredient, the sauce. So this is one of the most popular ones, the peanut sauce. I'm a pretty simple person. Apparently it's supposed to make a concoction like Alex did and mix a bunch of sauces, but I like it simple. So basically mine is peanut sauce with garlic thrown in it. Yeah, so there's a couple options of the soup to dip your meat in, the broth. There's like 6 options: house, miso, vegetarian, beef bone, spicy beef, and mara. I don't know what mara it is. Do you know what mara is? But the guy recommended us #1 and 2, original house and beef bone. I got the beef bone, Alex got the original house. So we're about to do this. I'm gonna taste the beef bone, try it out, and I'm gonna taste Alex's broth too. So yeah, dip it in. I like my meat rare, that's the key. You gotta leave it rare.
How rare?
Pretty rare, medium rare. I'll phone him. So it's still nice and juicy. Put this one right here. Dipping it in. Alright. Can you guys guess which this one is? Dip it in my sauce now. The peanut sauce. I think this one's a steak. Would you agree?
I think it's brisket.
Yeah, it's brisket?
I think it's steak.
Oh, the brisket's pretty good then.
Might be the short plate.
This must be the Wagyu then, if that's a steak and that's a brisket. Eating octopus, guys. Seafood killer. So I'm recovering from food poisoning, so I can't eat too much seafood. And if I see something I like, I might try it. Alright, time to try this out. I think this is the Wagyu. Pretty fatty. That's definitely the fattiest meat. This one's not my favorite. It's a bit too fatty for my taste, but it's still good. You guys are into the fatty meats. I'm still gonna eat it nonetheless. It's all you can eat, right? We'll see how much we eat before we have to tap out. Alex here is a competitive eater on the weekend. He had 18 wings by himself last week. So let's see how he does with all you can eat shabu. Alright. I'm gonna try steak one more time. It wasn't that memorable the first time. steak. Looks like the leaner meat out of the three. That's definitely the steak. Has a meatier taste, more protein. It's thicker, but it's not the most flavorful. I think my favorite one so far is the brisket. Gotta go for the brisket at Shabu. Oh yeah.
Always.
You know what? Let's take a bite into the chicken wing. See this?
Spicy?
Good. Look at this. I think this is like an Asian style spicy wing. It's tangy with a little kick. Going in. First meal of the day.
So far, I have no complaints. It all tastes pretty good.
What's your favorite?
I have to go with the brisket, of course. Of course.
I have the same analysis as Alex. You know what they say, great minds think alike. I have the number 1, 2, and 3. The USDA Prime Brisket, Beef Short Plate Wagyu, and the Prime Angus Flat Iron Steak. I definitely go for the brisket. Brisket definitely tops all of them. I have a feeling it's gonna be the best meat here. The rest of the meat is chuck steak and a bunch of pork items and chicken breast. And when you go Shabu, you know you gotta eat it with the prime beef, always. So we'll see if I change my mind. I think the brisket takes the crown. So I haven't tasted the broth yet. I'm gonna taste the broth and let you guys know what it tastes like. It kind of tastes like a very bland pho broth. They probably just brewed a bunch of, you know, beef bones in there. Yeah. It's pretty good though. Very good if you have sinuses or congestion. Everything is really hot. Just opens up all the nasal cavities. The brisket, guys. This one's a lot crispier than the other one for some reason. Maybe because it's not glazed. Pretty far. Really crispy. And the meat is surprisingly juicy too. So we got more meat, guys. This is the pork collar neck. This is a new meat. It's chuck steak. Looks more lean. And we got more brisket. I'm gonna try this, the chuck steak. It definitely looks a lot leaner. Let's see how it tastes. Nice and rare. Dip it. This one's leaner for sure. It definitely has more flavor than the iron steak. I prefer this one to the iron steak, but the brisket is still better.
Let's give it a try. Put a little sauce on it.
Sauce to the boss.
Oh.
Sauce to the boss.
Definitely got that meat, red meat flavor. Everything here is good quality meat. I can't complain. No complaints.
All the meat here is pretty good, but I definitely have my preferences. Let's name them off, all the beefs, because we tried all the beef already. What'd you say is number 1 to 4?
Brisket number 1, and everything else about the same.
I was about to say the exact same thing as Alex. I'm not copying him, I swear. But yeah, the brisket is number 1, 2 is the chuck, and then everything else is the same. Agreed.
You eat your vegetables?
Alex just reminded me I should eat my vegetables. I'm putting in the soup so my mom doesn't get mad. Fish balls. You guys like fish balls? If you know, you know. So we're switching up the sauces. I think the sauce is probably the second most important thing besides the meat. So this is my other go-to. It's the ponzu with a little bit of green onion and garlic. See how it tastes with the meat. Try my favorite meats with that. Brisket. You gotta love all you can eat. You don't have to worry about the meat running out. So you could be as gluttonous as you want with the portions, you know? Gluttonous. Alright. The brisket with the ponzu sauce. My special concoction. Pretty fire. You guys don't know what ponzu tastes like? It's like a slightly sweeter version of soy sauce. You know, with the green onion and the garlic, really gives that flavor to the sauce. Can't complain, this is really good meat. All you could eat, $19.99 for lunch. It's an unbeatable deal. How was the pork collar, Alex?
So the pork collar is pretty good. Very porky in flavor. Very clean. Put a little sauce on it, put it in your mouth. Tastes like your pork chop. You know, pork chop, but like a little lighter.
Would you prefer the beef or the pork chop?
I'm a carnivore and a beef side of things, so yes, more the beef, the briskets. With the pork.
Fire or
pretty good. Pretty damn good. Dan's favorite vocab word is good.
No, it's fire. So I totally forgot about the noodles, guys.
The nudes.
I thought I was done, but I just got the second win when I saw noodles. We got the ramen noodles, udon, and the dumplings. Let's do it. And this too, the mochi rice cake. We gotta try this. Apparently Alex really likes it.
You mochi ball. Damn, that was a lot of noodles.
How's the fish ball, Alex?
Delicious.
What does it taste like?
Fire.
Fire, that's my word. Fish ball killer. Alright guys, we just finished with our all-you-can-eat Shabu Shabu feast. How did you think it was, Mr. Alex?
For all-you-can-eat Shabu Shabu, surface was great. Food was excellent. We can't really complain. The pricing was right there, $20 for lunch, which is excellent pricing for all you can eat.
Excellent.
It would be an 8 out of 10 if you want me to give you a number.
Like Alex said, the meat was good. There was a lot of sides and items in the buffet. It was just pretty solid for all you can eat at buffet. For all you could eat at lunch, I'd probably give it an 8.5 out of 10. So yeah.
Plus all the seafood we didn't see.
Yeah, we didn't try all the seafood. Like I said, I am recovering from food poisoning, but next time we'll try all the seafood. And yeah, there was a lot of items there we didn't get to try. Alright, if you guys like this video, like it, comment where we should go next, and subscribe for more mukbangs and food vlogs.
Mukbang for the mukbang!